essentially just ensures that the users have permission to perform specific actions. So you want to implement things like role-based access control or attribute-based access control to enforce things like your permission based off of their user role or their attributes. But really, when we bring them back to the example that we used earlier on, you would note that your friend can only allow you into the apartment based off of the fact that your role you play in their life as a friend, right? So back to the concept, that is role-based access control. Attribute-based access control is similar because I know you, I know who you are, I am sure you're not a perpetrator, I can let you into my safe space, right? So pretty much that is the concept of authentication or authorization. Obviously, there are these terminologies where we speak about authentication, authorization, but I believe that within this lesson, I've explained those practically well. Now, there's also a concept called zero trust, and it is a concept where no one is trusted by default, inside or outside a network. Verification is a requirement for anyone attempting to gain access to resources on that network. In order to bring this home, right, I would like to use two major use cases to explain this. One, JSON Web Tokens and claims, right? Now, JSON Web Tokens is based off of something called Open Standard RFC 7519. JSON Web Tokens are used as security tokens, first of all. They form authentication, which are sometimes called JWT authentication, right? So I did assert earlier on that authentication types are JSON Web Token is used for authentication, OAuth, and API keys. And I did say two things earlier on. It uses something called a claim